Science. Hey guys, welcome to Science Night here at Southmont. For kindergarten, we are going to be talking about weather. And so today we are going to be doing an experiment where we get to observe some weather in a cup.
So you will get a bag like this, except it will have it'll have a cup with a lid with some shaving cream in it. So there will be shaving cream in the cup for you. Then you'll get the bag that has a cup in it. You will get some food coloring, and you'll have a piece of paper. Make sure that you are doing this with a parent or a grandparent. If you get the food coloring on stuff, it might stain your clothes. So we are going to show you how to do the experiment. On your paper, you have two pictures. This one says what I think will happen. So before you ever do anything, you're going to think about what would happen once you put this stuff together. So you're going to have the cup, and you're going to fill it half with water.
Okay, and so then once you do that, you're going to, now your shaving cream will be in a cup, and then you will just kind of put it, you're going to kind of put it on top. You can kind of like scoop it out with a spoon on top.
So you'll scoop yours out of the little cup with the shaving cream. But before you do the next step, you're going to draw what you think will happen. So your next step is to put the food coloring on top of the shaving cream and watch what it does. Draw that before you do the food coloring. And then once you've drawn what you think will happen, then you can put the food coloring in.
So once you have made your prediction and you already have your picture about what you think will happen, the next step is you've got some food coloring in your bag. So like Miss Rambo said, you need to make sure that you're doing this with an adult because you don't want it to get on your clothes and mess up your clothes. So a lot of the colors are different, so it's okay if yours is not blue, but you're just going to put a couple drops on top, and then you're going to kind of just watch it for a minute. You might have to add some more. And then you're just going to kind of watch to see what happens.
And you can kind of tell at the bottom of ours it's starting to do something. We're not really going to talk about what it's doing because we want you to tell us what it's doing. So once you put the food coloring on top and it starts to go through like it is, then you're going to come to the bottom. You're going to put what I observed. So once this happens, you draw what happened with the food coloring. And then I want you to think about whether your prediction was the same thing as what actually happened or how they were different.
And this experiment is supposed to be like what happens when it rains, and so when the rain comes through the clouds. So this is kind of what it looks like in a cup.
Now, once you're finished, we would love to see some pictures. So you can take a picture of the cup with the water and the shaving cream with the food coloring going through so that we can see how yours worked. And then make sure that you bring your paper back so that we can see how you did. We hope that you enjoyed it. Have a great night.